Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 2. We present about PV intelligence pole light with smart IoT. So this is my team members, which is Nuraina Maisara, Abdul Hasib, Kemilia, Ainumarda, and Ahmad Shaki Iman. So first, for introduction, which is background study, the increasing demand for sustainable and energy efficient solution has prompted the exploration of innovative technology. So this background study introduced a pioneering concept, a self solar system for external use focused on smart pole street light. So the key emphasis is on capturing solar energy during the day and employing it to energize intelligent pole light. So this light serves the dual purpose of illuminating the area after dark and incorporating supplementary security function to bolster safety measures. So for scope and objective, first, this project aims to propose smart pole street light system with self-solar generation and integrated security features. Second, can utilize IoT technique to enable real-time monitoring of the smart pole system, like enable the system to provide indication of safety status based on detected movement. So third, the primary source of power for this intelligent pole will be solar energy. So for literature review part, first, smart pole light allow for the convenient adjustment of brightness levels, promoting energy conservation and minimize the risk of accident caused by insufficient light. Next is incorporated solar panel for self-sustained energy generation and include safety features for area monitoring, enhance overall safety. So third, can identify movement or assess ambient light conditions. This capability enable them to intelligently regulate light output, turning on, off, or dimming as necessary, thereby optimize energy efficiency.
So next is the design of our PV intelligent pole light. Our PV intelligent pole light consists of one bulb, one solar panel, which is the value of the solar panel is 20 watt, and two sensor, which is we use the ultrasonic sensor and also PIR sensor. So now I will explain about the metrology part of this system. So the intelligence system of this project consists of a sensor IoT technique that be applied to this project, such as controlling the brightness of the bulb by using the device. The sensor that been using in this project, there are two types, which is ultrasonic sensor and PIR sensor, which that will be integrated to each other. All these sensors and bulb have been connected and reading by the Arduino Duran Uno for data processing application. When the data had been processed, the final instruction led the smart light pole to operate based on the intelligence system, which means the smart lamp pole respond to the process that been collected by the sensor. The setup of network communication also need to establish in order to protect the security of the data that been provided. Another feature of it has the self power generation in order to reduce the dependency to the electric grid. This self solar generation have intelligent mechanism where it will on and off depending on the environment.
So for next is the outcome of the project. Firstly, power will primarily come from solar panel, providing sustainability and potentially reducing dependence on the grid. Second, we are able to utilize the usage of IoT technique in real-time monitoring of the smart pole. Lastly, we are able to determine the primary source of power for the pole, which is the solar energy.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Ahmad Shakiman bin Muhammad. My meeting number is AA2100. Today, I want to present the discussion and analysis. Firstly, I want to discuss about Smart IoT. The function of Smart IoT is controlling the brightness of the light through the integrated device. This feature allows for the dynamic adjustment for of illumination based on environmental conditions and adjusting efficiency. Next, boost converter, serve a crucial role in managing and optimizing the power supply for photovoltaic PV. In smart light pole system, energy storage devices like batteries are employed to access energy generated during the peak sunlight hours. The boost converter facilitates the efficient charging of the energy storage system. Next is ultrasonic and PIR sensors. Ultrasonic sensors are commonly used for distance measurement. In the context of PV intelligent light poles, it can detect the presence of object or obstacle in the vicinity. PRS sensors are so sensitive to infrared radiation emitted by living beings. Integrating both ultrasonic and PRS sensors allow for a more comprehensive understanding of the environment. Ultrasonic sensor can provide distant information, helping to differentiate between distant and nearby objects. Meanwhile, the PRS sensor will focus on detecting heat signature associated with living organisms. Next is charger controller. Serve a vital function in managing and regulating the charging process of the energy storage system. The charger controller monitors the state of charge (SOC) of the connected battery. It regulates the charging process to prevent overcharging, which could damage the battery and Arduino. The last one is solar. The primary function of solar panel is a PV intelligent light source. Is to capture sunlight and convert it into electrical energy. These sustainable energy sources reduces dependence on grid electricity, making the system more environmentally friendly and effective.
Okay, for the last part, which is conclusion. In conclusion, Smart Pool has the main function of convenience. It can detect environmental data, provide lighting, and provide security. Therefore, Smart Pool light is not about an intelligent system, but it can be generated with the security features for safety reasons. Besides, by using the renewable energy sources such as solar photovoltaic, present an alternative way to reduce the consumption on electricity that been generated by fossil fuel, and consequently we can slow down the global warming. That's all from us. Thank you.